Today we are making Csirkepaprikás, a classic Hungarian chicken stew rich with paprika, cream, and comforting flavors.
Pat the chicken dry and trim any excess fat. Dry chicken helps create better flavor during browning.
Finally slice the onions, mince the garlic, and dice the tomatoes and peppers. These vegetables form the heart of the sauce. Sear the chicken in hot oil until golden brown. This step builds deep flavor that defines the dish. This dish begins with simple ingredients: chicken, onions, garlic, Hungarian sweet paprika, fresh vegetables, and creamy sour cream. Cook the onions slowly until soft. Remove the pot from heat before adding paprika. This keeps the spice sweet and prevents bitterness. Return the chicken to the pot. Add tomatoes, peppers, and a little broth. Let it simmer gently until the chicken becomes tender and infused with paprika. Temper the sour cream with warm sauce, then stir it in slowly. This creates the signature creamy texture of Csirkepaprikás. Rich, creamy, and deeply comforting, this is authentic Hungarian Csirkepaprikás, a timeless dish full of warmth and tradition.